citizen science has a great potential as a tool to communicate science. But what are the best ways to reach and involve different stakeholders? The third and final round of the Citizen Science Communication Labs was dedicated to put the NEWSERA pilot's learnings on paper and use them to draft 5 blueprints for citizen science communication and citizen science journalism. The NEWSERA Blueprints will help citizen science projects co-design innovative communication strategies with and for 5 key stakeholder groups: policymakers and the public sector, career scientists, industries and SMEs, citizens and society at large, and science and data journalists. During previous rounds of labs, NEWSERA pilots co-designed innovative communication strategies targeting different stakeholders and tested them in the field. With mentoring from the NEWSERA team, they monitored their strategies using co-designed indicators and following an iterative approach to adapt strategies when necessary. In this third lab, the NEWSERA pilots showcased their lessons learnt. They focused on best practices, strengths and weaknesses, as well as their achievements, results and impacts. Together with invited stakeholders and science communication professionals, as part of the NEWSERA community of practice, each group addressed issues such as: how can we form and maintain long-term relationships with each stakeholder? And how can we overcome barriers and build bridges? Moreover, the cross-cutting data journalism lab advanced in the concept of citizen science journalism, leading also to published press articles based on data generated by the citizen science pilots. The interconnections between journalism and citizen science were discussed at a public event with international speakers, and the exploration went further through the setting up of an art exhibition. The co-creator activities of the CIT SciComm Labs led to the draft of 5 blueprints. Each blueprint aims to answer a fundamental question: which citizen science communication strategies can engage more citizens and help projects reach their full potential? How can citizen science communication become mainstream within the academic community? How can communication strategies promote trust in citizen science-generated data for informed policies? How can citizen science communication help to develop products and services in the private sector? How can citizen science journalism open new directions in the relationship with the media and build shared knowledge? The documents will include all the information citizen science projects, among others, need to initiate or rethink their communication strategies to reach new audiences, from innovative channels and tools, training resources, case studies, recommendations, to other solutions that can support the overall effectiveness and impact of a project. The NEWSERA Blueprints will be openly available on the NEWSERA website. To receive updates, follow NEWSERA on Twitter. Learn more about how NEWSERA is innovating the science communication in citizen science at newsera2020.eu or watch our previous videos on the CIT SciComm Labs.